Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify with Amazon, and all you have to do is actually click add apps right here, and you will not find here Amazon or the specific app you need to connect to Amazon. So you're going to click find more apps in the Shopify app store and you will be redirected to this page. Now you will need to find a application which is spelled Spreader, this blue one, Amazon importer, and you need to install it. So you're gonna click install and you're gonna click here install again. Now in order to for this to work, you need to join Amazon Associates program. So if you have already done that, then you can go ahead and save your affiliate ID, copy it, and basically put it in the dashboard. But if you haven't already, you're just gonna click Amazon Associates and you're gonna sign up. Now when you have signed up, you can see your store ID right here. So I'm just gonna copy it. And right here, you're gonna go back to your Shopify. I'm in Spreader, and you're basically gonna enter your ID right here. Now, after you have done that, that's basically it. You can actually go ahead and find the products here which you want to add to your store. So if this video was helpful, guys, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.